When Indian defense pundits predicted that India Air Force evaluating F-35 and rumors of Indian government deciding to purchase F-35, Lockheed Martin's proposed F-21 fighter jet partnership with India. This is very attractive deal and company pitched to deliver advanced, scalable capabilities to the Indian Air Force, provide unmatched industrial opportunities, and accelerate India-US cooperation on advanced technologies. India, there is an indication that the country is looking to expedite the MRFA program, which calls for the acquisition of 114 multi-role fighter jets. The F-21 is an unprecedented, Make in India, opportunity combining the strength of Lockheed Martin, the world's largest defense contractor, and Tata, India's premier industrial house, to deliver a historic win-win for the US and India. The F-21 provides unmatched opportunities for Indian companies of all sizes, including micro, small and medium enterprises, MSMEs, and suppliers throughout India, to establish new business relationships with Lockheed Martin and other industry leaders in the US and around the globe. This program will be made in India, generating tens of thousands of highly skilled jobs through the maturation of India's large and emerging aerospace and defense A&D manufacturing network. US company proposed partnerships with India for new fighter aircraft, helicopters and other platforms are ideally suited to not just meet, but exceed India's capability and defense industrial needs in the near future. The F-21 is a heavily modified variant of the F-16 Block 70 tailored to India's requirements. With futuristic avionics from the F-35 Lightning II and the F-22 Raptor, the F-21 fighters have been dubbed the most sophisticated F-16 variant ever constructed. However, the F-21 differs from fifth-generation fighters in terms of its airframe, engine matrix, weapons capability, stealth features, and engine operations availability. The sales pitch presented by Lockheed states that the aircraft features an advanced APG-83 active electronically scanned array, AESA, radar, long-range IRST, better fuel efficiency. It is the only fighter in the world with probe, drogue and boom aerial refueling. It also has conformal fuel tanks, large area display leveraging fifth-generation technologies, enhanced survivability, a 12,000-hour service life, and 40% greater air-to-air firepower compared to legacy fighters. Additionally, it can be configured with the triple missile launch adapter. With all these attractive offers, many questions remains unaddressed. The purchase of F-16 Viper announces the failure of Tech's program after 40 years of efforts and around $7.5 billion United States dollars project cost. HAL revises Tech's Mk1 contract cost to 6,542 crore rupees amid delay. Taj's Mk1 also dependent on US-supplied engines deliveries already delayed due to price increased by US company. Indian local fifth-generation fighter jet is still on drawing board and first prototype expected in 2030, when Chinese sixth-generation fighter jet will ready for series production. Indian Air Force is in dire need of modern fighter jets and they required more than 150 aircrafts very urgently. Although F-16 is also an old aircraft but its superior quality will enhance Indian Air Force drastically.